What up, Speed Doc Nation? It's your boy Dr. X. I've been in a loaner for like a month now. It's been that long since the jack got messed up in the ice storm and had those malfunctions that needed to get fixed. Also had some suspension work done that they found out needed some replacement, so I got that done. So it's about time to pick it up. So let's get that done. Speed Doc Nation, I'm back in the XJ and it feels good, man. It's been over a month since I've been able to sit in my own vehicle. You know, they always do good with the loaners. It's nice to have a loaner. It's nice to know that you don't have to get a rental car or anything like that. But there's nothing like driving your own vehicle, and it's good to have my baby back. As you can see, they definitely cleaned up inside here, but we're about to do the first drive since it's been worked on, and I'm anticipating it feeling real good. In the meantime, though, we are going to hit you with another money talk, man. Today we're going to discuss cryptocurrency. Now, most people miss the Bitcoin rise and fall. You know, if you made your millions on Bitcoin, you're probably not watching this video right now. You're probably giving your own talks. When you think about the bigger picture, you have your money sitting in a bank, and the bank is not paying you much interest or no interest, and they are using your money to make investments and make money off your money. While you're at work, working hard, making income, your money's sitting in your bank doing nothing for you, making money for the bank. The bank is using your money to make money. And to top it all off, to add insult to injury, the bank is making risky bets. And if they lose your money, the government will reimburse the money that they lost. Now, if you go gambling, the government doesn't reimburse you for the money that you lose. But if the bank gambles with your money and loses, the government reimburses the bank. It doesn't make sense that they can use your money that you worked for to make profit and not give you a share of the profit. It doesn't make any sense. So the whole movement toward decentralized finance is removing that power from the bank, removing that money from the bank, taking the money from the bank, putting it back in your hands. So in terms of cryptocurrency, there are a lot of new coins out there. Each coin has its own purpose and its own vision, as designed by the founders of the company who created the coin. So before you take your savings out and you buy a bunch of coin, you really want to research and see what's going on with that coin. What is the purpose of that coin? What is it designed to do? Most people aren't able to buy into Bitcoin at the moment right now because of the price of Bitcoin. You know, you might get a fraction of a Bitcoin and there's no telling when that's going to rise. But at least it's a stable investment. So if you are looking for a stable investment, go ahead and put the money in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Those are going to increase over time, almost guaranteed. If you're looking for new Bitcoins to get into and you're trying to see your money grow faster than Bitcoin or Ethereum will let it, then you've probably been perusing the websites and trying to figure out what's hot and what's going to grow. So in the process of that, you really want to be looking at the purpose of the Bitcoin, what it was designed to do. So you look at something like Cardano, and that is a coin that is being created so that people in Africa can make digital transfers and make electronic purchases. So a lot of people in Africa don't have trust in the banks, so they don't leave their money in banks. So there's a lot of capital out there that's just sitting in, you know, safe deposit boxes and money bags. And Cardano is trying to give them a way to spend digitally so that they can interact with each other and increase commerce. So that's a coin that has a vision, it has a purpose, and that's something that, you know, if you believe in that purpose, you can get behind it, and you can see why that's a coin that might rise in the future. But then you look at Doja coin, or Doggy coin, some people call it, and you see a coin that they're using, basically they give it away for free sometimes. They use it to tip people online for giving reviews and whatnot. So if you have a coin that is basically being given away for free, it's kind of hard to see whether or not that value is going to go up over time compared to something that has purpose. So when you look at these coins, you really want to look deeper in, not just buy the first couple things that you see. So definitely comment below. Let us know what else you want to hear about. Money Talk Mondays. We're always looking for the latest information to put y'all up on game. Trying to get your money up, get your money right. We really want to see you guys investing in yourselves. We want your money to work for you. We want to see y'all grow financially. And that's what Money Talk Mondays is about. So comment below. Definitely subscribe to the channel, SpeedDoc713. You know, we really appreciate your support, and we want to help you guys grow. All right, Speed Doc Nation, catch y'all next week.